As Hills Partnership is a small independent charity that helps to look after how the hills are managed. So we work with partner organisations, community groups, councils to help protect the wildlife and the people that use the hills. So I'm the Environmental Engagement Officer, so part of my role, which is funded by the Ernest Cook Trust and the National Lottery Heritage Fund, is to work with local schools and youth clubs to get young people just involved in nature and excited about their local environment. Today we're going to be planting up some planters with nice winter bulbs to kind of brighten up the playground, and we're also going to be talking about pollination and planting lots of pollinator friendly plants for butterflies and the bees for coming into spring. So the donation of new leaf compost from NWP helped us work with more local schools in the area, so we were able to help the school create some raised beds to grow vegetables and help their horticulture club. Then we've been able to work with this school as well to get the kids involved with a bit of hands-on planting and just some practical work to get them involved in their local environment.
Working for the betterment of our local communities is central to NWP's ethos, and we are committed to making a tangible contribution to volunteer groups and providing high quality products. It is an absolute pleasure to provide Mercy Primary School with compost, which is helping educate young people about gardening and sustainability.